What did you find? What do you have? Are you really over a leaf? Winston, put down the leaf.
There's the two little muffins on the sofa. Rocco. Dreaming about your 2 breakfasts?
Come. Sit. Up. Good boy.
Oh my god, pumpkin!
No, Cardi. No.
She's gonna.
No.
Oh my god. No. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god.
All right, let's see if we can get it. Bruno, do you want to try banana? Banana?
I will get your dinner in a few minutes. Only good boys get dinner. Boys who bite have to wait for dinner.
Orbi, baby, Orbinka, Orbital Precision Strike.
You're so cute. What's your name? Oh, hello 3129.
Every single time I get up in the night to take a whiz, this little is waiting for me to attack. And then I have to do this death run to my bed.